City Power announces an 8-hour power outage affecting 6 suburbs. City Power is notifying customers about a scheduled power interruption at the Allendale Substation on Wednesday, November 29, 2023. The planned maintenance activity is set to occur from 8 to 1600 hours and will impact the following suburbs: Austin View, Commercia, Kanana Extension 04, Kanana Extension 05, Mayibuye and Rabie Ridge. Residents and businesses in these suburbs are advised to prepare for a temporary power outage during the specified period. This interruption is a crucial part of City Power's ongoing efforts to enhance its network infrastructure and ensure the provision of a more reliable service. The maintenance work is essential for the continued efficiency and safety of the electrical system in the mentioned suburbs. Customers are reminded to treat their electricity supply points as live, as power restoration may occur at any time. City Power acknowledges the potential inconvenience caused by this interruption. It also sincerely regrets any disruptions to the daily activities of its customers. The utility company appreciates the understanding and cooperation of the affected residents. It also assures them that the temporary inconvenience is a proactive measure to guarantee a sustained and improved power supply in the long run. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.